the time period of the pendulum is measured to be 3 seconds in inertial frame of the pendulum. What is the period of when measured by an observer moving with the speed of 0.95 c with respect to the pendulum? So the given data is the proper time, which is equal to T naught or TP. Change in TP is the proper time, which is equal to 3 seconds. And the speed is given V, and V equal to 0.95 c. So we have to find the dilated time which is equal to T. So for the solution of this problem, we have the relativistic equation for the time dilation. Now the relativistic equation for the time dilation is relativistic equation for time dilation is change in T is equal to the proper time divided by under root of 1 minus V square divided by C square. Now we have a given data, so it is very easy to put that data in this equation and get the dilated time. So this is the dilated time and this is the proper time. Now just put the data in this equation and we have what? That T is equal to the proper time is 0.3 second, only 3 seconds, sorry, which is divided by 1 minus, now the velocity is 0.95 c and square and divided by c square. So we can write this T is equal to 3 seconds divided by 1 minus, so taking the square of 0.95 c. So we have 0.9025 c square and divided by c square. So we can just cancel c square and c square. Now we have only the value of T is equal to 3 seconds divided by under the root of 1 minus 0.9025. Now subtract 0.9025 from 1 and taking the square root over this value and the solve equation. So we have T equal to 3 seconds divided by under the root of 1 minus, so just solve this relation. So do it yourself. So I haven't calculator, so just do it yourself. So you have the value from 1 minus 0.9025 and just taking the square root over this value and divided by 3 seconds over this value and you will get what? T equal to 9.6 second. So you can see that the proper time is, this is our answer. So the proper time is what? 3 second, and the dilated time is what? 9.6 second. So this is our required answer.